Hey guys, welcome back. Popping on to do a layout for Build a Page. And if you've been following along with me this week, you know I am doing challenges from May for the International Scrapbook Day challenges that we're going on at Scrapbook and Cards today. So this challenge will be about making banners. And Wendy Sue Anderson issued this challenge. I'm trying to see if there's any extra little particulars that I need to do. Use banners on your projects in any way. Great, not a big deal. So I have this kit that's based around Carta Summer. I only have 2 full-size pieces of pattern paper, so I'm going to create myself a cute little border with this and then use this gorgeous piece here that has this flower card. Super cute. Now, this collection comes with all of these great tags. They're super, super cute, right? Backside, oh, they're just like cute little forget-me-nots or something. So I thought I'd go ahead and cut out some of the tags. And I'm using some leftover pics that I had from a layout I created yesterday. And these are my daughter. She's walking in a parking structure. They're itty bitty little pictures. And I thought it'd be really cute. It was for her birthday, so I can include happy birthday on there, which is awesome. Let the sun shine in if I want, because it's a sunsets going on, all that kind of stuff. Best summer ever? No, her birthday is in May. Actually, it was on International Scrapbook Day. How fancy. So I'm going to pick some banners or some tags and turn them into a banner up here. I already have this piece here. I will have a bunch of banner pieces, and I have to map my photos a bunch of times. Now they're super little, so I could see if they'll go onto stickers or who knows what. We'll see. I also have these cute little banners here in the stickers, which is interesting. Cute little flower cart there. I don't know. We have to come up with a plan. I don't know what the plan is, but it's going to be good. Or it's going to be fun. I have some flare buttons that are cameras, so I thought that would be perfect on this. And in this kit I put together as well, I've got some Felicity Jane titles, I've got some Elfa stickers, and some other puppies. So I have plenty to keep me going. Oh, and I also have all kinds of scraps. So I've used this collection plenty, but clearly I'm going to keep going. So let me do my homework and I'll be right back. Super quick, I thought I'd tell you that I was going to go ahead and distress my edges just to have a bit of differentiation. But isn't it pretty already? And the kind of cool thing is my daughter loves this color right here. It's the color of her Yeti even. How fancy. Okay, I'm going to, like I said, get to trimming out whichever ones of these tags will work and turn them into a banner. All right, so I went ahead and trimmed out some banners, punched their holes, and scuffed them up. Now I'm going to take a bunch of my pieces of scraps and go ahead and map my cute little photos that are going to end up here in some kind of cluster. Not exactly sure how. And I know I have some black and white twine, so I'm going to go take a look-see for that for my banner bits. So it's going to take me about 2 years to map these up, and I'll be back. So I have my pieces all on here. Nothing is tacked down yet, but I do really, really like the direction it's going in. So I need a title, and I'm wondering if there's anything on my little, I have happy birthday there. I might just do like a happy girl for my title because she's being all sassy and silly. That would be cute. I have my photos down here matted like a zillion times, which is cool. So I can do happy girl right here for my title. So let's get that on. So I have happy with these Felicity Jane bits, and then I've got some paper, what is this? The Paper Studio glittery alphas, hoping that we do not get glitter fallout everywhere. The glitter can be terrifying. So I have that. Get them on. I'm going to attach all this stuff down, and then pretty much I want to get some Happy Step or Scrappin' Happy Studio Flare on. I've got some little cute Bella puffies I can work in depending on how much black I need. So yeah, just little bits and pieces, and we are going to be done because My banner is nice and big, and we already have this really gorgeous little floral cart on here, so it took up lots of the room right quick. All right, I'm gonna get this on. I'll be back in a moment. So at this point, I have everything stuck down except for the flare, and I chose some stickers from the Element sticker sheet. So I'm going to do a little building up between the floral cart and this cluster over here. And I also did go in with the Felicity Jane alphas as well as the Paper Studio alphas like I talked about. And now I have a title, and that brought in some black, which helps the black twine to have a little bit more of a place. So I'm going to go ahead and get my flare down, and yes, it's lumpy and bumpy, and I love all of that. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to see what stickers I can pop here, there, and everywhere, and probably come back and do a little bit of splatty bits together. So I have some little sticker pieces put on here and around my photos. So that's great. These pieces are nice and attached down. Great. So let's see if I can work just a little bit more black in from these Bella Boulevard trinket stickers. Let's see, because I mean, this is really strong, and of course the twine is really strong, right? So let's tuck some cute little ones in here and there, and I think that will be what we need here. I do like the cute little hearts too. Look at how cute. But this is a rather floral scene, so we are trying to work with that. So I have some florals. I need one more over here. So hopefully, if I put it up there, it'll do a nice little visual triangle. Here we go. Tuck it there. So that's cute. That black helped a lot. Okay, happy with those. Then I do have these DIY shop little gold hearts. Sure that we can find a spot for a few of them. Oh, sorry about that. I just had to shut my door because my daughter was doing her hair. Guys, I'm filming this on a Sunday, and there's an Amazon guy coming up. How exciting is that? All right, so I'd like to do, I have one there, but then it occurred to me I'd like to put one right above this happy birthday, because this was when she was out for her birthday dinner, so that's fun. So I need just one more somewhere, so I'll probably go ahead and put it right here. So that is that for this layout. I'm excited. I'm going to go ahead and put links, of course, down below for the other Build-A-Page creators, and take some still shots and get this video up. I'll be back with one more layout for June 2022. All right, bye for now, friends. Oh, still shots in 1 second.